Want to put your own custom text on your iPhone lock screen? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to do it. First, launch your App Store. Now you'll need to download this app AnyText. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Now here you're gonna find a different widget option. Select any of it. Now type in your custom text. I will go with hello guys. Once you type in that, you can close this. Now navigate to your lock screen. Press and hold on anywhere on the screen, then click on Customize. Now click on Add Widget. Now from the list of apps, find AnyText and click on it. Now you're gonna find widget option. Select the one where you have set the custom text. Under that as well, you're gonna find two styles. Select the one that you wanna set in your lock screen and you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily add custom text in your iPhone lock screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.